Hey Shane, your HOG0 computer is done, and we've got it back on the bench. We're going to do a post-repair inspection video. Start by looking at the computer. There's your repair work. Compared to what it was, this thing is much improved. That was really the big mess that was there before. That first capacitor had been replaced by somebody who really did a number. And there's the second one. Looks great. Okay, let's give her the old bench test. This is power, this is check engine light, and this is fuel pump. Pump should run for 1 second when we turn it on. And it does. Check engine light should come on. And the voltage is 4.97. The regulator's good. Go into code pulling mode here, and after a brief freak out, it'll start blinking a 2-digit trouble code. And it does. So the computer is thinking clearly and overall seems to be functioning. Looks good. I think you should be good to go.